Hey guys, it's Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. I look a mess and a half. I apologize for that, but I just wanted to open this up with a small intro because Wednesdays now I'm adding a new flair onto this channel. I used to do like weekly vlogs and vlog weekly, but I feel like we got dragged out, especially with all this happening. So I decided to start a new series called A Dose of Happiness, I think, or my weekly dose of happiness. And what this is basically is compiling every day one good thing out of the day. So that is what this series is going to compile of. And I wanted Wednesdays to be an easy edit. I'm sorry I did not post on Monday. I've been feeling sick, as you will anyway realize in this what's called. So I've been feeling horrible. But yeah, that is what shut up. That is what this video is going to entail, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm still editing it and tweaking it, so I don't even know how it's really going to turn out yet, but I hope you guys enjoy it. I wanted Wednesdays to be super short, super easy going, and something really easy to watch and fun to watch, and something positive, because we all need some positivity with all this stuff going around. So instead of just a regular boring old vlog, I'm just going to be doing this instead. And maybe if the days are eventful, I can even put more than one thing. But the goal is to put at least one good thing that happened throughout the week. Enjoy.
Why don't you stay? I know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same. So why don't you stay? I need you to stay.
So my week started on Wednesday. I did some cleaning. I actually got hired to do some cleaning, which is a yay, a job, hello, some money. And I did a pretty damn good job. On a Thursday, I satisfied my craving, and I was grateful for my mom for that. I have been craving these wedges I make all the time in my apartment. So I made them. I was craving them because my purd was on the way. Y'all know the purd days. Since we have a different oven here, I still put them at regular heat, even though mine in my apartment is like lower, and they burnt into crisps. They burnt, and I gave up on myself, and I was like, you know what? It's all good. I'm not making these anymore. And my mom came in clutch, and she actually recut the potato wedges for me, and I seasoned them up and put them in the oven, and girl, chef's kiss, those were so we jumped to Saturday. Friday I didn't record, probably because nothing interesting happened, but I am in summer classes, if you guys do not know, and I aced my quiz. Hey. This one's a little crazy, but Sunday I was just grateful for life. I've been having some stomach and gut issues, and I went to a doctor and they thought they knew what it was, but they really didn't. So it was really frustrating, and it was really took a lot of toll on me. Finally, Monday I had the energy to do it. I've been wanting to do mani-pedi, but first I actually went to a doctor's visit and I got my prescription for my stomach issues, and guys, the first pill I took, literally the whole day I've been great with my stomach issues, so I'm so happy. I think we found out it's silent reflux, but I did my toes. They're so soft. My feet are so soft. I did the pedicure of the century, and I'm so happy. And the final of the week is chicken wings. I am so happy I got these prescription because my appetite has been on low. So to be able to finally eat my favorite food was phenomenal. And that is my weekly dose of happiness. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what you think about this new series that I'm adding onto my channel. I think it's really fun, really easy, really cute, really just refreshing with all the negativity going on in the world. Comment, rate, subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Remember to be humble, and always remember, self-love is the best love. And it's not goodbye. It's see you Friday. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye.